Enjoy stunning views of Tsim Sha Tsui and delicious wine. A happy hour with excellent value and quality. We took advantage of KKday and number 39's exclusive happy hour, 1600 hours to 2100 hours, and I can confidently say that this is an absolute bargain at approximately 4,000 yen per person. Drinks, sparkling wine and wine are refillable for 90 minutes. Food, in addition to snacks such as exquisite Italian ham and cocktail shrimp, you can also enjoy desserts such as macaron and creme brulee, all of which are very high quality. Location: a luxurious space with a 270-degree panoramic view overlooking Victoria Harbour. There were few customers in the early hours, and the staff were attentive, making for a very relaxing experience. This is the perfect plan for a break during sightseeing or a luxurious drink before dinner. It in number 39's located inside Quat, the one in Quat, in Tsim Sha Tsui, so it in number 39's easily accessible, and I would definitely like to return next time. Pattern 2, SNS focused, Instagrammable and impressive. Discover an amazing value plan at Quat, Fast Gourmet in Quat, in Tsim Sha Tsui. I found an incredible happy hour on KKday with up to 60% off. For about 4,000 yen per person, you can enjoy 90 minutes of unlimited wine while gazing at a spectacular 270-degree view of Victoria Harbour. Savor Italian ham and plump cocktail shrimp with a glass of Prosecco. Creme brulee and cake are even included to finish, leaving both your stomach and heart completely satisfied. The staff are friendly, and if you go at an off-peak time, you can have this view all to yourself, a hidden gem. If you want to enjoy a stylish yet affordable night out on your Hong Kong trip, this is the only place to go. Hashtag Hong Kong Gourmet at hashtag Fast Gourmet hashtag Tsim Sha Tsui hashtag Hong Kong Night View hashtag KKday hashtag Happy Hour hashtag Best Value. We made a reservation for lunchtime on a weekday. It was in number 39's, crowded, the food came out quickly, and the taste was acceptable. We added drinks and upgraded our main course, which cost extra. Including the original price plus a service charge, the average price for 2 people was $190. It in number 39's worth going back to. The menu is extensive, the food is delicious, the service is attentive, and the ambience is beautiful. I in number 39's, LL definitely be back soon. The capone pasta is my absolute favorite, it in number 39's, so tasty. The staff are very polite, the location is convenient, and the environment is lovely. The location in Tsim Sha Tsui is convenient for transportation, the environment is comfortable and clean, the food is fresh and varied, and the service is excellent. The prices are reasonable and it in number 39's, great value for money. I will definitely visit again. Buying from KKday is very cheap. You can use a discount code and add your points. There are many food options, the taste is acceptable, and the environment is nice. I will buy again if there are special offers next time. It's an ideal setting for friends to get together for a cuppa and snacks. The variety is good, and the food quality is high. It's all you can eat within 90 minutes. That is really good value for money. The food quality is good. The unique flavors are appealing. For French food, the quality is very high, and the price is extremely attractive. There in number 39's, a wide variety of dishes to try. Very nice. Convenient location, comfortable environment, wide variety of food, delicious taste, attentive service, definitely worth trying again.